Are you circumcised or uncircumcised? It's gotta be one of the most personal questions you can ask a guy, but for some reason most boys and men have no problems proudly stating if they've had the old snip. So why is that? Why does it cause such a passionate response in men? Is there any benefit to being either circumcised or uncircumcised? Stick around to find out. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we share videos about all things puberty. From topics like this one to issues such as should I shave my pubes or how to wash your penis. If you're interested in receiving our weekly video updates, then hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's jump straight in. Male circumcision is the oldest known human surgical procedure in history, dating all the way back to ancient Egyptians in at least the 23rd century BC. In the practice, the end of the foreskin of a male's penis is cut and removed, typically not long after birth. But it's not always for cultural or religious reasons. Some people prefer the aesthetic look or ease when it comes to cleaning, while some fathers simply want the same for their son that was done to them when they were young. There are even instances where circumcisions are performed to alleviate painful conditions such as Balanitis. Others are firmly against the idea, not wanting their children to go through the pain and trauma of an unnecessary medical procedure. So, circumcised, uncircumcised, what's the real difference? Apart from the look, there isn't a whole lot of difference between an uncircumcised and a circumcised penis. Think of it like a car. There's manual transmission and automatic transmission. Both will get you where you need to go, one just comes with a little extra training and skill needed to operate. In saying that, circumcision does have a few health benefits associated with it. A circumcised penis is far easier to keep clean than an uncircumcised one, and drastically cuts down how much time you need to spend downstairs washing your junk. Because of this, circumcised penises have a slightly reduced chance of contracting sexually transmitted diseases and are also less likely to fall victim to urinary tract infections and inflammatory conditions such as Balanitis. But that's not all. Despite how rare the condition is, research has shown that circumcised males have lower incidences of penile cancer compared to their uncircumcised counterparts. Of course, this makes complete sense considering 99% of penile cancer occurs in or on the foreskin itself. On the flip side, the foreskin contains around 20,000 specialized nerve endings that enhance the feelings of pleasure during sexual activity. When you cut this skin off, you lose a lot of the extra sensation you could have potentially enjoyed. This reduction in sensation can eventually result in various erectile dysfunction conditions. Circumcision also comes with an amount of risk. If the procedure is performed incorrectly, it can horribly disfigure a boy's penis, often needing corrective surgery to fix. While circumcision isn't as popular as it was in the 1980s, religious and cultural traditions still account for 50% of all men being born today undergoing the procedure. While many cite hygiene as the reason to get snipped, with a little education, it's never a problem. And while most of us never get to choose whether we're circumcised or not, it's important to know there's nothing wrong with either option. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you have a better understanding of the pros and cons of circumcision for boys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos about topics that matter most. Thanks for watching.